Hey guys, I thought I'd quickly tell you about this new innovative way of getting paid that YouTube's doing. I think all the other ways of getting paid by YouTube will still apply. You're not allowed to talk about certain things, and that's to be censorship or things. There's no doubt about that, but what's happened is they are now adding to their, I think it's like they're beta testing a thing where they put what's called a YouTube Applause button below your videos, and people can, there'll be a button below your videos, and like this, and if you press on that, you get $2 every time somebody applauds, or Now I know this is not new to the cryptocurrency world, because I think BitTube has been doing this for a while, and a few other cryptocurrency platforms have been doing this. They have a button underneath where you can donate cryptocurrencies. So let's have a look. It's at the moment it's only going to be available in Australia, Brazil, India, Japan, Korea, Mexico, New Zealand, and the USA. Now, I just want to show you the button if I can. Hold on. It's just it here. Yeah, see? If you can see that there, it's going to be an applaud. And when you press that, the creators get $2. However, someone else said that you will get, of that $2, don't quote me on this, the creator gets 70% and YouTube gets 30%. Okay? So 70% of $2. $1.40 you'll get. But don't quote me on that. So, and the other thing is, I'm pretty sure that once it starts rolling out to everybody, that once again, the animation is only shown privately to the buyer. Viewer applause is only available in a beta format right now, meaning that creators have to be invited by YouTube to test it. Now I also think, but don't quote me on this because it's very new, that you have to be monetized. Okay? Yes, and there will be a $500 day per limit. But, if you think about if you get a viral video, you're instantly going to get $500, every day for a while. So that's pretty good. How many applauds would you need to get? So it's 50 for 100, so 5 times 50. You just need 250 applauds and you've got $500, which would be, that'd be like sort of 250, getting 250 sort of likes, or sort of super likes. So it's all beta at the moment, but see, the feature is currently only available in those countries, and it's also only available on desktop site, but it is good that YouTube is trying different things out. It's good for creators, especially for creators that sort of are doing more mainstream stuff and not rocking the boat at all. However, you know, it's a good thing because, you know, there will be some channels that may not get a lot of money, and might, you know, and so they get paid, you know, a bit, you know, this creates a bit more income. I'm sort of surprised that you know, you have to be monetized. I would have thought that this is more of a thing for people that are, you know, not monetized yet. But yeah, I don't know. Anyway, I thought I'd let you guys know about that. It's called Applause or Applaud. You'll have an Applaud button. It's still in sort of beta testing, but for creators, it's a good thing. But like I say, I'm pretty sure that, you know, if you're, you know, you're being censored or shadow banned by YouTube, you're not going to get your Applaud. You might not get your Applaud button, I would say. Stop. So what I would do in that case, guys, is just, you know, if you do want to make a living off YouTube, is just start another channel. You know, keep your truther channel, or, you know, your channel that's been censored, and still have your say. But if you do want to make some money from YouTube, you know, to be self-employed, to be, you know, get some kind of financial independence going, start another channel that's more, you know, mainstream, and get monetized, and, you know, then you'll be able to do things like this, you know, get the $2 Applaud button. But, you know, just have to see how it goes. This is quite an interesting thing that YouTube is doing.